वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो कैपिटल गेन सीरीज का छठा वीडियो है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ कैपिटल गेन्स। कंप्यूटेशन ऑफ कैपिटल गेन्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन द नेचर ऑफ कैपिटल एसेट ट्रांसफर्ड ड्यूरिंग द प्रीवियस ईयर, namely A. long-term capital assets and B. short-term capital asset or depreciable assets. Long-term capital gains. Capital gain arising on transfer of long-term capital asset is considered as long-term capital gain. Short-term capital gains. Capital gain arising on transfer of short-term capital asset or depreciable asset is considered as short-term capital gain. Computation of capital gains on transfer of long-term capital asset shall be done in the following manner. Long-term capital asset, section 48. Particulars, amount and amount. Full value of consideration received or going to be received on transfer of long-term capital assets during the previous year, less indexed cost of acquisition of capital asset, less indexed cost of improvement, less expenditure incurred wholly and exclusively in connection with such transfer. The resultant figure is long-term capital gains or loss. Indexed cost of acquisition and indexed cost of improvement of capital asset, second proviso of section 48. A. Indexed cost of acquisition and indexed cost of improvement shall be deducted from full value of consideration in case of transfer of long-term capital assets. B. Indexed cost of acquisition or improvement of capital assets shall be computed with reference to cost inflation index in the following manner. First, indexed cost of acquisition. Cost of acquisition multiplied by cost inflation index for the year of transfer divided by cost inflation index for the year of acquisition or cost inflation index for the financial year 2001 and 2, whichever is later. Second, index cost of improvement. The formula is cost of improvement multiplied by cost inflation index for the year of transfer divided by cost inflation index for the year of the improvement. Note, for computation of capital gains, the base year has been shifted from 1981 to 2001 with effect from assessment year 2018-19. Benefit of indexation is not available in following cases of transfer of capital asset. Section Capital Asset Transfer Error. Section 48, third proviso, long-term capital gains on transfer of equity share or unit of an equity-oriented fund or unit of a business trust as referred to in section 112A. Transfer error is any person. Section 48, fourth proviso, bonds and debenture. But indexation benefit is available on capital indexed bonds issued by the government, sovereign gold bond issued by RBI under Sovereign Gold Bond Scheme 2015. Transfer error is any person. Section 112, capital gains calculated on transfer of unlisted shares which is taxable at concessional rate of tax at the rate of 10% without giving effect to section 48 first proviso. Transfer error is non-resident. Section 44A, presumptive income from business of plying, hiring or leasing of goods carriage where assessee does not own more than 10 goods carriage. For heavy goods vehicle, rupees 1000 per ton of gross vehicle weight per month or part of the month. For other vehicle, rupees 7500 per vehicle per month or part of the month. Section 50A, depreciable asset other than an assets used by power generating unit eligible for straight line depreciation. Transferor is any person. Section 50B, undertaking or division transfer by way of slump sale. Transferor is any person. Section 115AB, units purchased in foreign currency. The transferor is offshore fund. Section 115AC, global depository receipts, that is GDR, purchased in foreign currency. The transferor is non-resident. Section 115ACA, global depository receipts, purchased in foreign currency. The transferor is resident individual employee. Section 115AD, securities are referred to in Section 115AD. The transferor is foreign institutional investor or investors. ये वीडियो अब मैं यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसे लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने अच्छे सुझाव हमको देते रहिए जिससे कि वीडियो में और भी अच्छा बना सकूं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।